Hello and welcome back to this training video for the Ecom case study for the journey. It's going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to basically tell you which theme to install, and then I'm going to do a separate video for the plugins because there's quite a few of them. And what I don't want to do is I'm just going to show you the plugins that I install. The settings for some of those plugins will just come as we're building the store, so I don't want to overwhelm you by making a really long video just showing you how to set up each individual one. I'm going to show you the plugins that we install in the next video, and then the settings for some of those will come later. It's just better that way rather than making one massive long video. So for this, we want to just go to themes and we just want to install the Astra theme. So just search for Astra. So you need to go to add new. My mistake. So add new and then Astra, and just install. Activate. And that's basically it. So in the next video we're going to look at all the plugins that we need to install, which will turn this into a great looking website. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.